What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So today we will talk about Louis Cardin. Louis Cardin is another Dubai based house, and they are famous for making very affordable fragrances, of course inspired fragrances from other niche and designer brands. So the good news is that Louis Cardin is now officially available in Pakistan and India, and obviously they are available in Dubai because they are based in Dubai. They have changed the formulations and concentrations of their perfumes, especially for India and Pakistan region. So I'm going to put links for their official websites in Pakistan, India and UAE, so you can check it out and you can pick any fragrance of your choice as per your liking. So today I'm going to show you 5 fragrances. So I have like 4 perfumes for men and 1 for ladies. So we will start with the one for ladies because ladies always first. So the perfume I'm going to show you is Heart of Diamond, and you can see the bottle. It's very nice, beautiful silver background. It's a heart-shaped bottle. See the color of the bottle. The cap here is going to give you that metallic feel, but I think it's plastic or maybe a thin metal layer on the top. But overall, it's a nice looking bottle. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So this one smells so good. If you want to know how this perfume smells, just see the color of the bottle. Pink. This perfume smells pink. You will get some sweetness here. You will get a lot of florals here. You will get very strong note of white musk. It's very soapy. There are some citruses on the top. Beautiful combination. It's fresh. It's bright. It's very elegant. So if you are a lady who is looking for an affordable perfume to be used in these hot summer days, try Heart of Diamonds. You will get strong note of jasmine, you will get lily, you will get musk. It's soapy but in a very good way. And this perfume is going to give you that straight out of the shower kind of feel. The vibe is so good. The quality is very smooth. I am really impressed by the quality. Later on, it will also give you that powdery kind of feel here. Overall, it's fresh and you will get very nice experience in this hot summer season. So this was about Heart of Diamond for ladies. And now let me show you 4 fragrances I picked for men. So the first one is Credible. You can see the bottle. It's a white bottle and the scent profile is not unique, not something out of the world. This perfume is copied like zillion times. But the good thing here is the quality of blend. So the quality is really good here. This is a perfume inspired by Creed's Silver Mountain Water. So the same scent profile, beautifully done here. You will get a lot of white florals here. You will get that metallic vibe. You will get that tea note here. You will get those sour juniper berries here and a lot of musk. Very refreshing, very bright, very uplifting, very beautifully done, evergreen DNA. You can use this perfume till eternity. And now let me show you the next one. And here I got Louis Cardin Illusion. So this perfume smells really blue. It's blue, aquatic, sweet, little bit citrusy, musky, fresh kind of scent. And this perfume is inspired by Blue Seduction. And it's not 100% same thing, but yeah, I think it's better. It's a little bit more sweeter as compared to Blue Seduction. And the good thing here is the performance, because Blue Seduction is not going to perform very well. That's a very nice scent. It's a beautiful scent, very famous one, but that perfume lasts only for like a couple of hours. But this one, Illusion, is going to stay on your fabrics until next day. So this is strong. The performance is much better as compared to Blue Seduction. But yeah, this is little bit more sweet. And in Pakistan, this is around like 4,000 rupees, 400 ml bottle. So this was at number 2. And now let me show you the perfume at number 3. And here I'm going to show you SAFAR. SAFAR is number 3. And this is really wow. Very strong, very potent, and very beautiful scent profile. A very well-known DNA done in a very nice way. So this perfume is sweet, bubblegummy, blue and aquatic. Once again, something on the lines of illusion. But this perfume is going to remind you Assassin's Havas, or you can say Paco Rabanne's Invictus. So if you like that DNA, you are going to love it. It's very strong, very smooth, very polished, no harsh edges, and very nice scent. And now let me tell you an interesting fact about this perfume. This perfume, SAFAR, is designed by a perfumer called Najla Barber. Yes, Najla Barber. She is the same perfumer who made Dior Dion a long time ago. So she's the one who made this perfume a long time ago, and after reformulation with stronger concentration, this perfume is just wow. So if you like Havas, if you like Invictus, you are definitely going to love it. So this is SAFAR. And now fourth one, and the most favorite one, because this is something unique. I love all these, but this is my most favorite because they have done something out of the way. This one smells very nice, and here I'm talking about Aspiration, the house of Louis Cardin. This perfume is going to remind you of Dunhill's British leather. It's not exact same thing, but yeah, this is really nice one. So okay, you know what? This perfume reminds me of my childhood, mid 80s to late 80s, when I was a young boy of 10, 11 years old. At that point of time, men really used to smell like real men. They were using strong masculine fragrances like Zeno, a lot of lavenders. They were using Old Spice aftershave, and those kind of fragrances. So there is some kind of nostalgia attached to this scent profile, and I really loved it. This one is very nice. So this is fresh and spicy at the same time, with a beautiful note of soft leather. And the leather used here is not that industrial leather, or it's not that suede kind of leather, the leather used in Tuscan leather. This is totally a different style of leather here. It's soft, it's very modern, yet it gives you that 80s kind of vibe here, but the leather is very modern. This perfume is going to give you that proper designer kind of vibe. It's balsamic, it's woody, it's musky with a lot of lavenders and that sexy leather. You are definitely going to love it, and the good thing is that you can rock this perfume in summers. So I'm going to rank this perfume little bit higher than the other four. I like those four as well, but this one is like little bit unique, a little bit better in my humble opinion, or you can say this is my liking, my taste. So this was about Aspiration. Do let me know in the comments if you have tried this perfume. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great products. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and